So I got this Reds Peds pedal back on the bench. The input signal had come off, but on closer inspection it looks like there's been quite a lot of moisture ingress. There's no way I would have left it like this. Anyone who sees my videos will see how meticulous I am about cleaning up boards. Luckily I've got some video of it making some weird noises. There doesn't seem to be any high-pitched noise on that side, is there?
No, I mean there is. Oh.
There's a bit of oscillation there. I've measured the board and I can't seem to find anything conductive on there. So I'm going to give it a good clean, best I can. It's possible that some of the moisture might have make it go microphonic or something like that. So we'll just give it a good clean anyway. And that white residue that you see there, that's definitely nothing to do with me. I'm not too happy with just using these bare wires for the signal on earth. So I think we're going to upgrade it by using some Van Dam screened cable. And that should hopefully protect it from the rest of the circuit. Yeah, I feel much better about that. It's crazy having a signal cable unscreened going past the circuit board like that. Now that's better. Everything looks brand new again, beautifully and clean. We have shielded cables now to the sockets, and hopefully that should stop any whining noises. Also, they use a cheap DC socket here, and the centre is moving around, so I've just used this cable tie to try and stop any mechanical movement there. Well, I can't seem to hear any high-pitched whining anymore. I think we fixed it. Catch you next time.